Hello and welcome to this simulation. Today I did a model of the air blast explosion over the composite panel. The first layer is ultra high performance concrete with damage definition, and the second layer is the normal strength concrete with two steel bars inside them. We used embedded region constraint for them. So let me first click on the ultra high performance part, click on animation. This is the stress which happened during the explosion, and we can also check the compressive damage. This is the compressive damage of the ultra high performance concrete layer. Also we can check tensile damage, the stiffness degradation. And now let me just check the normal strength concrete. This is a normal stress concrete, a stiffness degradation. You can see compressive damage. See, this is compressive damage. Also tensile damage. You can see the tensile damage is too high here because this material, normal strength, is too weak in the damage, in the tensile damage. And we can check the displacement for it. And now let me to remove these concrete parts and check these two steel rebar inside the concrete materials. Okay, and also I used cohesive behavior as a cohesive surface interaction between the ultra high performance and the normal strength concrete in this interface. I use cohesive surface with stiffness and damage. So if you need to model this ultra high performance, normal strength, cohesive behavior, and air blast explosion, you can come to our website www.abaqusfm.com, find the English tutorials, click on title or blue sign, and then you will have this explanation about the geometry, assembly, and then the material, step, interaction, load, and mesh, and the result as figures here. You can provide CAE, IMP, and English video file step by step, and the cost for that is 27 euros. You can use a PayPal. You can use a PayPal account, a Visa, or a MasterCard for the payment. Before that, send me an email to this address, and then I will tell you about the purchasing process. Thank you for attention.